Do you want to know the most common mistakes to avoid in Forex trading and be able to make huge profits just like me? In this video, I'm going to show you top 8 most common Forex trading mistakes. Mistake number 1. Trading with no real strategy. Many trading educators and supposed gurus build their business around encouraging all to participate in the wonderful world of trading where profits are generated while you sleep. They give you a picture that Forex trading requires little effort, mere just a computer and 10 minutes a day to generate wealth beyond. Mistake number 2. Trading so many trades at the same time. This is very bad as you won't be able to keep track of all of your trades. It is important as a trader to track all of your trades. Why? Because Forex trading is always changing. It evolves every now and then. Thus, tracking all of your trades will give you a record on what works and what doesn't work for you. Mistake number 3. Risking too much money on any given trade. No matter how much money you have on your account, it is very crucial to trade with proper risk management. Here at Forex Clubhouse, we recommend trading at a ratio of 3 to 1, meaning on any given trade, you should aim a reward of 3% and risk just 1%, just in case the market does not move in your predicted way. Mistake number 4. Taking trade position as a result of emotional reaction. In Forex trading, even the professional traders do get losses at one point or another. What do? They accept their loss and wait patiently for another good entry to enter. Mistake number 5. Lacking discipline. The need for consistent and patient approach to trading is paramount to success in this business. A great deal of self-discipline is required to ensure that you consistently engage the markets according to the rules of your system or your trading plan.
100 times?
More.
200 times?
More.
500 times?
Probably.
Mistake number 6. Overtrading. A common refrain among everyone involved in Forex trading is don't overtrade. And the best indicator of overtrading is changes to sleep patterns and not sleeping well at night. This occurs as a result of increased fear or worries. Now, this is very bad in Forex trading as you won't be able to analyze perfectly the market, which will lead you to make poor decisions that will cost your account. Mistake number 7. Avoiding paperwork. Having qualified that you are a trader and the importance of keeping adequate records of your trading activities then become a very aspect of your daily, monthly, and yearly responsibilities. This is very, very important as it will make you have a reference on what works and what does not work for you. Mistake number 8. Not knowing a clear exit point. As the entry point is important, well, so is the exit point. Speaking from personal experience, I have observed traders leaving the position very, very early, and when they come later to see that the market prayed to their predicted direction for a while, they just end up being sad. Now, I do not want this to happen to you. Exit points are extremely important in Forex trading. It is very important to note that trading is a wonderful business for those prepared to take time to learn about themselves and the markets and to do the hard work necessary to become successful. Disciplined and passionate traders will be well rewarded for the time and effort they put in. Those who lack discipline will suffer at the hand of mistress of greed. They will jump out from one idea to the next, or even from one broker to another. Eventually, they will bring their trading accounts to zero balance or stop trading altogether. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If yes, please do subscribe to this channel for more videos concerning online trading. Thank you for watching and bye bye.